Brandy, what's that? The latest, the electric charger solar bra. The straps have to be exposed to the sun. You get power and can recharge your cell phone. Then, for the no-sun part of the day, the kinetic energy from moving translates into power. Have you given your boyfriends notice that you're packing electricity? There's no statute in this county that requires giving boyfriends notice. How's the dolly? Haven't quite figured it out. May need your help. I need a keyboard break. Is it going to cost? No. Even if it's in the computer module that gets the back wheels to track the front wheels on corners, the modules are not expensive. But the problem may be mechanical. Okay, I will let you sub-chassis techies deal with that. I've got a client house to go to. Who's that? Nearby, a grand townhouse on Wildebeest Lane. Middle of a subdivision. And that's a hilly town if I remember correctly. Yeah, I figure we would have to cut. I'm gonna tell them today. Hey, what's with the heavy bra strap? Your sister has been selected by a business grad from a multinational company to test the future for ecological womanhood. Right, she runs with all sorts of guys. Go find biz, girl. We also need that for our future. Hey, we don't get to charge a fuel surcharge anymore, do we, Nance? No, I'll find a more subtle way to charge.